Eric and I are here with the Crosley engine again. We've done a little bit of carburetor tuning and cleaning, and hopefully it will feel more like running now. We've got a gas line hooked up, and it goes to the fuel pump here and to the carb. We've been working on adjustment screws. We did have a problem the other night where we inadvertently left the ignition switch on and ran the battery down. So we've now installed actually the turn signal running light from the front as an indicator light. Eric, you want to flip it on? There we go. So that kind of gives you an idea how that works. Now I'm going to put the camera down, and we'll try choking it and getting it going here. So. Let me step around you. Alright, let's crank it a little bit and see how it goes. Okay, try again. There you go. Yeah, it runs. So now all we need is a radiator.
Smoking.
Well, yeah.
It didn't backfire though, so I take it the thing's properly adjusted.
I think it's probably better than it was. So we'll have to get in the car before we really can finally tune it. So excellent.